Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to makeup tutorial. This is the look that I do for literally everything. It's super fast for me and it's just super simple for me as well. So if you guys like to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Let's get into the face. I'm going to moisturize my face with my Khiels Ultra Facial Cream. Always put this on my face first. Sorry for any background noise. It's snowing outside, so a lot of noise when cars are passing. I don't usually use this camera for makeup videos, so hopefully all this noise. Now I'm just putting on my NYX glitter primer. I put it on my smile line areas to avoid creasing, because when I talk and smile, these areas crease. So to avoid creasing with my makeup, I put this NYX glitter primer on that area. It's like a little trick that I learned from somebody on Instagram one time. I'm gonna get right into my brows. And for my brows, I'm gonna be using two things. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use for my brows. I'm not gonna go into detail with my brows in this video. So I'm gonna use my Milani concealer. This is in the color 160 Warm Tan, and I'm gonna use this NYX Fill Fluff in Espresso to fill in my brows. I'm just gonna fast forward this part. And now I'm gonna go into my Morphe James Charles palette, and we're gonna pick up this color right here, and I'm gonna put this all over my lids. We're gonna move on to the face, and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna conceal my face with my Milani concealer. I'm gonna blend that area in with my beauty blender. I love this concealer because it's like super thick and full coverage. It's perfect. And I don't like to let it sit for too long because it starts to get really like thick where it doesn't move. So I don't like to let this sit on my face. And if anybody's wondering about my lashes, I get my lashes done by my best friend. She's a Lash Tech. I will link her Instagram in the description box for you guys if you're in the New York area and you need a Lash Tech. She is amazing. Now that we finished blending all of that out, I do feel like my face gets super light with that concealer. So I usually mix foundations with a darker one and one that's like closer to my skin tone, but today I'm actually going to go in with a darker one without mixing it, just to see how that works in balancing out my skin tone back. So we're going to go into the Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation. This is in the color 14. So I'm going to pretty much, I'm sorry, the cover is stuck in the tube thing is stuck in the cover, whatever. So I'm gonna pour some of it out on my hand just because I like to pick it up on my hand. I'm gonna flip over to the clean side of the beauty blender. I'm gonna pick this up. Let's see if this helps to balance everything out. This is a little bit darker than my skin tone, where I feel like in situations like this, it just might be perfect for balance. Okay, so I feel like this definitely brought a lot of color back into my skin. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna go back on a little bit of the concealer, just because we lost some of that as we were applying the foundation. So I'm gonna go back with like just a little swipe of it. Then I'm gonna use whatever is on the sponge for every other area. This is just gonna give me back the highlight that I wanted before. Just gonna tap it in other areas. I'm gonna go ahead and set these areas. Right now, just making sure there's no creasing. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. This is in the color Banana. I love to use this brush for this just because I feel like it gives me more control. I don't apply too much product. It's like you know exactly how much product you're applying, and it's easy to brush away the product. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer to the face just to bring some more color back in there. So I'm gonna use my Morphe Glamabronze in Leader. This is how it looks. I love this. I'm also gonna go into the nose with this. I like to start off on the bridge. And I'm gonna bring it up into the brow slash shadow area. I usually connect it with my brows, but I'm gonna bring it just up into the shadow since the shadow is dark. So we can keep that little highlight underneath the brow. I'm just gonna go in with the same shadow that I put on my lids. I'm gonna go into this old fave, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm gonna pick up Sunburst and Bubbly. Yeah. And I'm gonna add these to my face. I like to press everything into my skin, again with my powder brush. Now, before we finish off the face with the lips and some other little added touches to the eyes, I'm going to spray my face, and I'm going to spray my face with my Makeup Forever Light Velvet Ear Setting Spray. I'm going to go into my waterlines with my MAC Fluid Liner in Blacktrack. I've been wanting to use a white on my waterline, but I need to get the right white liner. I think I want to get the Inglot one, but I need to order it, and I hate ordering stuff. I hate ordering it. You know, it's so funny, like I hate ordering stuff, but then if I would have ordered it, I would have got it already, because I've been talking about getting this for like a month now. Yo, I swear, this is the one step where I'm always messing up my makeup, is with this. We're gonna line my lips. I'm gonna line it with my Absolute, this is a beauty supply store liner. It's their waterproof gel liner. Love this. I just bought it and I used it for the first time last night. It's amazing. I have to buy a bunch more. It literally just glides on, and this used to be my problem, is finding a liner that just glides on. now once that is on, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss. And this is their lip gloss in light. I want to do like a nude lip. I really don't feel like combing out my hair. I'm being so lazy, but yeah, so this makeup can work for anything. It's my go-to for a date out, if I have pictures to take. If you guys saw those pictures on my page from that photo shoot, this is the same makeup I did as well. So I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm about to go take a bunch of pictures. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.